everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. So today I am collaborating with Kristen Kay and we are both doing a Dollar Tree DIY for you guys. And if you don't know who Kristen Kay is, she does a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs, a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, clean with me videos. She just has a really great channel. I watch her all the time. She's super funny. You would really enjoy her. So definitely go visit her channel and check out her video that she is doing in collaboration with me today after you are done here. So for my Dollar Tree DIY, I am going to be doing a wooden pumpkin picture frame. So I hope you like it. Okay, so what I'm going to need to make these pumpkin picture frames are 2 packs of the Jenga blocks, and I just separated them into the light wood and the dark wood, and then I just need my hot glue gun and some glue sticks to attach the wood together. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the first pumpkin with the light wood. Okay, so now that I have these pieces of wood put together, I am going to take the extra pieces and build a base for the bottom here for it to sit on. Now I'm just going to make the other one out of the darker wood blocks, and I am going to put my blocks vertical instead of horizontal this time. Okay, so now how the pictures are going to be held onto these are these little tiny miniature clothespins that come from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue one to the top of each of them. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my linen white chalk paint that I already had and give both of these a coat of paint and then distress them after they dry. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take these 2 pieces of sticks that I just found outside, and I'm going to attach them to the top with some hot glue. Okay, so now I just have a few pieces of cut burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make 2 bows, one for each of the pumpkins. Alright guys, I really love how these pumpkin picture frames turned out. I think they're so cute. And the pictures that I put in them of my son, I took when he was about probably two, maybe 3, I'm not sure. But I have not displayed them at all. He's 6 years old now, and I've always loved these pictures, but never displayed them. So I'm glad that I made these picture frames. I think they looked really cute with the pictures. And of course, you can customize them to make them look however you want. Mine turned out a little more shabby chic or farmhouse looking, but you could totally paint them orange or put designs on them. You could do anything with them. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, please. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.